Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how this potential recession is going to affect your credit score. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So, everyone's kind of pretty much saying whether or not we are in a recession, and to me, I don't quite feel it's all the way there, especially compared to the last recession. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of just weirdness going on with the economy, pricing and fluctuations and things of that sort. And, it's forced people to be in a position where they have to now think about their credit. And whether this ends up being a full recession or not, is most definitely going to affect your personal finances. Just with the rising costs of everything going up, that plays a major role. So how's that going to affect your credit? Well, number one, we're seeing a lot of people, saying yes to terms that they should not be saying yes to. And that's mainly because they're figuring out, okay, this is my best option for now, and which it could be. And you can always make terms better later by refinancing or getting another better type situation and to pay off that other situation, right? However, just don't make rational decisions, guys. You don't want to make a decision where you're rushing yourself, and you have to make sure that everything makes sense. Okay. And while you're doing all of that, you have to make sure that you're keeping an eye on your credit. You're keeping an eye on your finances. You're making sure that if it's on auto pay, everything's connected properly. These are some basics. But the thing is that now that anytime you have inflation, things are going to cost more, not just at the grocery store and at the gas station. You're talking about bank interest rates. So with personal loans, mortgage loans, everything, auto loans, the typical rates just aren't the same as what they normally would be. So you need to have things in order. Even if you don't have things in order, but you're pressed for time, you got to get that apartment, even though you don't like the terms. You got to get that car or that personal loan, even though the payment or the interest rate is much too high. Just don't forget you can refinance out of those situations. But I'm just saying, try your best not to rush into things, guys. Yes, there's some uncertain times. We don't know what's going to happen, especially in the next 6 months or so. And there's so many things that's on the table, but just relax. At the end of the day, as long as you are making sure that everything's in your personal situation is there, then you should be fine. Also, too, I'm not saying that just because, obviously people have a certain amount of income and things of that sort, there are plenty of side hustles that you guys can jump into that can easily, start to, put things in place or make things a little bit easier. I know a lot of people are doing like Amazon Flex and DoorDash and Uber and all these other things, right? And along with their jobs. And guys, there's nothing wrong with that. If you need that to supplement your income, to supplement that grocery bill, to supplement that gas, listen, I'm telling you, everybody's been humbled. Okay. So it's nothing wrong with being on top of that. Taking care of your family is what you're supposed to do. Taking care of your kids is what you're supposed to do. And a lot of these things will make you second guess certain things. But you know what? And there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes too, you have to look at where your income is and say, you know what? It may be time for another job. You may, or the second job or a better job, right? It may be time for me to move up in the company I'm already at. All these things play a major role. But again, do not make these rash decisions, just so quick without asking questions, without finding out what all of your options are, without speaking to people, watching videos, educating yourself on whatever it is you're trying to accomplish instead of just jumping into things because you might be stuck in that situation for quite some time. For example, a lot of people are signing these leases at these high rents for like a year. Guys, take your time and say, listen, how close am I to home ownership? Some people are signing these auto loans at certain rates without checking to see if they can get better stuff elsewhere, right? And if you've done that, then okay, cool. And just take that and then refinance. But just don't forget to have a plan, to have a strategy, okay? Don't rush into it. You ask questions, watch videos, educate yourself. You most definitely can make this thing happen. But as far as credit overall, there's going to be a lot of different dynamics to this. As long as you're making sure that you're doing the basics, making sure that you're making your payments on time, keeping your utilization low, doing auto pay if if you can. Don't apply, not necessarily applying for things you don't need. So you don't want to start maxing stuff out. You don't want to start looking like you're going to be filing bankruptcy soon. You don't want to be looking like that you have a crazy financial situation going on. And if you do, we get it. But you don't. I'm saying that to say, if you're not in that position, then don't try to force it, guys. Let your credit, just let it go up the way it's supposed to go up. And if you need a plan, then if you need a strategic, customized plan, we are here to help you if you need that. If not, we got plenty of videos you can watch that'll help you kind of figure this stuff out along the way. My personal opinion, this is nowhere near the recession that like it was in 2008. Back in 2008, you had people losing their homes. You had people losing their jobs. Right now, pricing is going up. Not to say that's not a big deal, but we know prices are going to come back down eventually, right? The question is when. And that's where, they're working on that right now. They're working on other partnerships and things of that sort because things are being affected for sure. And that's where there's other alternatives available, okay? But until that time, you got to control your own government in your house. You got to control your own economy in your house. And by doing that, you can make sure that everything stays in place. And that way you're not going to be affected by a lot of this stuff. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Just more so that positivity. Yes, there's craziness going on. And yes, your credit can be affected, but only if you let it, guys. And don't forget, you have options. None of this circulates without your signature. Nothing. That everybody needs you. You're the gem. You're the prize. And your signature matters. Okay. I'm telling you, these banks aren't making money unless you say yes. Okay. So just make sure you educate yourself and keep watching these videos, whether it's my channel or whomever's channel that helps you get the information you need to get. All right. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.